Hey art friends, welcome to today's how-to. Today we'll be learning how to draw a summertime minion. So first let's get started with the inside lens of the glasses. And we're going to start by drawing in a nice big circle. Now let's draw in the eye. So on the left hand side, we're going to curve this around and up on the right. And then on the bottom, we're just going to arch this line over and across. For the pupil of the eye now, we're going to curve this line over and down. Let's add in a small highlight now. So we're going to draw in a circle on the top left. And then moving underneath, we're going to curve this around and through, coloring that in black. Now let's draw in the rest of the goggles. So we're going to start on the top here and we're going to curve this around, bringing that through towards the middle. And then starting back on the top, we're going to curve this back around, connecting that together on the bottom. Let's close off the side of the lens now, curving this out, down, and in. And then we'll line this up at the same height on the right hand side and just replicate that. Now let's draw on the mouth. So on the corner here, we're going to curve this line down. We're going to arch that line down and in towards the middle. And then we're going to keep bringing this line all the way over and back up on the right. Let's draw on the teeth now. So we're going to draw in another curved line, stretching that across. And now let's draw in the top of the head. So starting in the center here, we're going to arch this line all the way around and down on the left-hand side. And then we'll start back on that line on the top, blending that in together, bringing this all the way around and down on the right. Let's close off the strap for the glasses now. So we're going to curve this line over. And then moving down, let's replicate that. Now let's move up and draw in some hair. So we're going to curve this line out and in. Let's move down, bringing that further out, back in. And then one more time, just curving this around and then down towards the top of the head. Now let's draw on the arms. So we're going to draw these bends. So we're going to start further in, curving this around, bending that at the elbow, bringing that down. We'll do the same thing on the right. Now let's step further in, arching this around and down. Closing off the hand, we're going to curve this around, through, back in. Now for the rest of the hand, we're going to start on the top, curving this around and back in underneath. Let's close off the rest of the body. So we're going to draw a diagonal line coming up towards our arm. For the shorts, we're going to come in towards the center, drawing in a curved line from left to right. Let's draw a diagonal line coming out on the bottom. And then from here, we're just going to curve this over and out towards the side. And then now from here, we're just going to draw a diagonal line coming in towards the hand. Let's close off the shorts now by drawing in a nice big curved line from left to right. And then dropping down below that, replicating that one more time. Lastly, let's draw in the legs and feet. So we're going to draw a diagonal line coming in towards the center. We're going to curve this out. Let's draw another diagonal line coming up. On the bottom, let's bring this line around and in, closing off the foot. And that is it. That's how you draw a summertime minion. You can pause the video and color it the way that I have done, or you can change your colors up if you'd like. If you enjoyed today's video, please hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to the channel, and also drop a comment below suggesting any more characters that you'd love to learn to draw next. Thanks so much for joining me on today's tutorial, and I will see you all on the next one.